The Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards credit card is a great option for anyone who is looking to build or rebuild their credit while earning rewards along the way. This card offers a simple and straightforward approach to credit building by combining cash-back rewards with a secured card structure. Although it comes with some costs and limitations, it stands out for its ability to reward users with 1.5% cash back on all eligible purchases. In this review, we'll dive into the features, benefits, and potential downsides of the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Card, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your credit journey. One of the biggest advantages of the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards credit card is its rewards program. Unlike most secured cards, which typically don't offer any rewards, this card provides 1.5% cash back on all eligible purchases. This flat rate reward is easy to understand and applies across all spending categories, making it an attractive choice for those who prefer a simple reward structure. Additionally, cardholders can earn 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. This makes the card more versatile if you occasionally travel and want to make the most out of your purchases. What's more, there's no limit to the amount of cash back you can earn, giving you ongoing value as long as you manage your card responsibly. Since this is a secured card, a refundable security deposit is required to open the account. The minimum deposit is $200, which will serve as your credit limit. If you make on-time payments and use your card responsibly, you could qualify for a credit limit increase in as little as 6 months without needing to add more funds. This feature is particularly helpful for those who are focused on improving their credit score and want the flexibility to increase their credit limit over time. Another unique aspect of this card is the ability to earn back your security deposit as a statement credit. Capital One may refund your deposit if you demonstrate responsible usage, such as consistently paying your bills on time. This offers an added incentive to maintain good financial habits, which ultimately leads to a stronger credit profile. When it comes to fees, the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Card is fairly straightforward. There is no annual fee, which is a plus for anyone looking to keep costs low. However, the ongoing APR is quite high at 29.99% variable. This means it's crucial to pay your balance in full each month to avoid costly interest charges. Carrying a balance could quickly lead to high interest debt, which defeats the purpose of using this card to build your credit. Other fees to be aware of include a cash advance fee, which is either $5 or 5% of the amount advanced, whichever is greater. There's also a late payment fee of up to $40. While these fees are common for credit cards, they can add up if not carefully managed. In addition to its rewards program and credit building features, the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Card comes with several perks that enhance its value. These include fraud coverage, MasterCard ID theft protection, and emergency card services. While these benefits are fairly standard, they provide some peace of mind in case you run into any issues with unauthorized charges or need assistance while traveling. One of the more convenient perks is the ability to pre-qualify for the card without impacting your credit score. This allows you to check your approval odds before officially applying, which is especially beneficial for those with limited or damaged credit who want to avoid unnecessary hard inquiries. The Capital One Quicksilver Secured Card is ideal for individuals who are new to credit or looking to rebuild their credit score while earning rewards. The 1.5% cash back on everyday purchases makes this card appealing, even for those who may be using it temporarily until they qualify for a more advanced card. Additionally, the ability to earn back your deposit and increase your credit limit within a few months adds flexibility and room for growth. However, if you're someone who tends to carry a balance, this card's high APR could be a drawback. It's important to be disciplined about paying off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Additionally, if you prefer more customizable options when it comes to your credit limit or deposit amount, you might want to explore other secured cards that offer more flexibility. When compared to other secured cards like the Discover It Secured Card or the Open Sky Secured Visa, the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Card holds its own, especially in terms of rewards. While the Discover It Secured Card offers a first-year cashback match and more flexible deposit options, the Quicksilver Secured stands out for its straightforward reward structure and clear path to earning back your deposit. On the other hand, the Open Sky Secured Visa is an option for those who may not qualify for the Quicksilver due to stricter credit requirements, but it lacks a rewards program and has a $35 annual fee. Ultimately, the Quicksilver Secured strikes a good balance between rewards, credit-building tools, and affordability, making it a solid choice for many. In summary, the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards credit card is a strong contender for anyone focused on improving their credit while still enjoying some rewards. The 1.5% cash back on all purchases, combined with the ability to earn back your deposit, makes this card more rewarding than many other secured options. As long as you can commit to responsible usage and avoid carrying a balance, the Quicksilver Secured is a great tool for building your credit and setting yourself up for future financial success. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.